I'm going to demonstrate the knit stitch, but very slow motion. And this is part of my new slow motion series. If you'd like to see that playlist, I'll give you a link. Just click the little eye in the upper right-hand corner. And as we add slow motion videos to my video channel, we will also add them to that playlist. If you would like to see a regular explanation of the knit stitch, I'll give you a link to my video of the knit stitch, a video I made about 10 years ago. You can see a younger Stacy explaining the knit stitch. This is just something different for really visual learners. I'm going to knit at full speed, and my producer is going to slow it way, way down and very close up. Sometimes that works for people. I am going to first knit 10 stitches in the natural way that I knit, which is flicking. Then I'm going to knit 10 stitches English or American, which is also called throwing. And then I'm going to knit 10 stitches continental, because I'm not going to be talking during the slow motion part, because you'd hear a scary zombie voice if I did. So let's go ahead and get started. I hope that helps. For people who are really visual learners, you might have been able to tell that continental knitting is not my natural way of knitting, but I can go through the motions and hopefully that helps. Good luck.